Hey everyone, ServerSideIssues here with SSI, and today we're going to be going over a tool that I wrote called Enable Low Latency K2 Profile. Alright, let's jump right in. So first off, let's talk about what exactly is this, what is the hype around the low latency K2, and why is it even important? So traditionally, across all Apple devices, Linux even, and also phone operating systems too, such as iOS, take advantage of something called the CPU boost feature. And the way it works is it maxes out your clock speed so you can have better responsiveness across your apps and even just overall better performance. So, with that in mind, what did I do here? So what I did is I leveraged the Vive tool, which is developed by someone where you can take advantage of the Windows Insider preview without actually being a part of that program. So this is really useful if you're testing things like different features that you want to try out or whatever. So let's jump right in. How do you use this? So you're going to download this tool that I wrote. You're going to do extract all. You're going to do extract and you're looking for Launch SSI K2 Enable. If you right click on it, do Run as Administrator, and you do Yes here, you're met with this menu. To enable it, all you have to do is do 1 and hit Enter, and it will enable it. If it is unsuccessful, it will let you know. To disable it, if you don't like it, you can do 2, and it will say Disabled. Please understand that you also have to reboot your computer in order to apply the changes, regardless of whether you're enabling it or disabling it. And then finally, you can do number 3 to exit the script. All right, so that is pretty much that. Hope you all enjoyed the tool, and I hope it helps. And, of course, if you are looking to get your PC optimized today, feel free to drop by our Discord, and we'll get you sorted. All right, have a great day.